Hello guys, welcome to Osas Family TV. Today I'm going to be making plantain frittata. If this is your first time coming across my video, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red button down below, and also if you like this video, please also give it a thumbs up. This is all what I'll be using to do my plantain frittata. In here I have 3 plantains which I'll be using. I have my Spanish onion, which is very big. I love onions so much. Then I have green, yellow and red bell pepper. I have my Scotch bonnet pepper, and I have my eggs. I'm going to be using 7 eggs. And I have my spinach, fresh spinach leaf. I have my black pepper, and also I have my aromatic seasoning. I'm also going to be using rapeseed oil. So let's start the process. So I will be slicing my bell pepper. It's been washed. Going to take out everything that is inside and slice. I'm going to be slicing it in 2 different ways. I'm going to use this one for the inside. I'm just going to leave like few of this, about 4 slices like this, but on top of my frittata. I'm going to take another 4 just to keep aside with the other grain. These are the red, yellow, green bell pepper. That's the one I'll use on top, and that's the one I'll use inside. And slice my onions. So I'm going to be using half of my Spanish onions. You don't need to use a lot of onions if you don't like onions, or you don't need to put onions at all. It's up to you, it's optional what you prefer to use. Scotch bonnet pepper is an option thing. You don't need to use it if you don't eat pepper or spicy food. It's because I can't eat any food without it's not spicy, very spicy. So I'm very used to spicy food. This is my kitchen scissors. I use my kitchen scissors just to process it a bit. My spinach leaf. And it's time to break my egg. Then now I have to check for shells. If there's any shells inside, which there is some shells, and I take them out. I'm going to put my aromatic seasoning. So it's time to cut my plantain. You can cut your plantain in any shape that you like. This is the shape I prefer. So these are the things I'm going to be using. They are all sliced properly. So now we're going to the fire now to fry the plantain and also fry the bell pepper, onions and Scotch bonnet pepper. This is my oil for my plantain, and this is my oil to fry my bell pepper and onion, Scotch bonnet pepper also. This is the oil I use for my plantain, deep and dry. And this is what I'm using to fry my bell pepper rapeseed oil. My oil is ready now. I'm going to put my onions and scotch bonnet pepper together. I'll put my seasoning, and also I'll be adding a little bit of my black pepper. And allow it to fry. At this point, my oil for my plantain is hot, so now I'll put my plantain inside my oil. That's my plantain. Now I'll be putting my bell pepper inside my onions and scotch bonnet pepper that I'm frying. So it's left with this one, which I'll be using later. I'm covering it for 10 minutes. My bell pepper is 10 minutes now and it's ready. So it's going to turn off the fire and go to my plantain. The plantain is also ready. I've already fried one batch, so this is the last one. So I'm going to reduce the heat and pack them. These are the things I will use. I have fried my bell pepper, that's it, onions and scotch bonnet pepper. That's the leftover that I'm going to be using to put on top. I have also fried my plantain. I'll be using this bowl. I'm going to be putting on my oven. I put it in 150 degrees. I'm going to put the alarm for 20 minutes. I'm going to put my egg. I'm going to be putting bell pepper, onions and scotch bonnet pepper. Put my spinach. I'm leaving some of it for later. Also putting my plantain. At this point, I'm going to be putting the leftover plantain that I have. I'm going to be putting it on top one by one. I'm going to sprinkle a bit of my spinach. And also put this on top to make it look very nice and beautiful. Wow, it looks very colorful. It's time to put it in the oven. I'm going to bake it for 20 minutes. It is ready, guys. That is my plantain frittata. That is the inside, guys. Look at this. You need to try this recipe of plantain frittata. It's good for breakfast as well, and it's also good for dinner. I'm going to see you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and also share to your friends and family. Bye bye.